I said, can I use some of this gray fur for a video?
Yeah, you didn't have to cut it or nothing, do you?
Yeah, I need to cut a little strip off.
I mean, if it's a small strip, just don't cut too much of it.
Okay, yes, ma'am. It's a small strip. It's a tiny one. It's just gonna go around the hood.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
All
All right, late. Let's go! All right, bro. Today we're cooking up a banger. Y'all been asking for this one for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and feed the streets, bro. Y'all said y'all wanted the fur lined hoodie. Let's do it. And no, I didn't get signed to opium, bro. It's April Fool's. You got it. All right, first things first, I'm gonna take this nostalgia hoodie that I made a while back. Yeah, y'all didn't even know I had it ready to wear. More coming soon, more coming soon. But I'm gonna take this nostalgia hoodie. God dang. Try to lay them as flat as possible. And then I'm gonna go ahead and measure from the neckline all the way up to the top of the hood, right? All right, I got like 13 and a half. I can either double that or go all the way around. I'm gonna go all the way around so it can be precise, bro. I got one cut here. Y'all heard my mom, bro. All right, I did that and I got 29 and a half. So what's 13 and a half times 2? 6, 26 plus the half, 27. See, 27, you know what I mean? It's just a little bit more exact. So now let me go ahead and make that cut. First, I'm gonna see if it can make it this way, because if it can go this way, that's bomb. I can just cut off a little strip off the edge. Yeah, I think I can make it this way. All right, so now that I know I can make that, let me see how, I forgot to check how wide I need to make it, right? I'm gonna just measure from the outside to like right after this cover stitch. So I'm looking at 1 inch, right? 1 inch, you double it because I'm gonna wrap it around. So I'm gonna do like 2 inches and some change so I can leave some seam allowance just in case. Now I'm just taking my tape measure and marking 2 inches away from the edge, and that was my width. I'll mark a few more of those up the edge and then connect those with the ruler. Now I'm just laying my tape measure down lengthwise to make sure I chalked up far enough. And I ended up doing 30 and a half instead of 29 and a half, and you'll find out why later. Mark that line so I know when to cut that 30 and a half off, and then I cut the whole thing out. And then I remember why I've been putting this video off for so long, bro. Why the anxiety was getting to me, bro. I had to go on a crazy cleaning session, bro. I had to lint roll it, I had to go stupid. There was no way I could just work with this stuff around. So now normally, I guess you would probably throw an eyelet in here or a grommet in here, you know, right where this is. But I don't have any small enough. So I'm just gonna take this string out and do a little quick cook up for y'all. But I know y'all were smart enough to do the math and know where they need to be if you were to do them. So I'm gonna leave y'all to that if you wanna do that. All right, so I popped that out. And now, in order to sew this down, if you wanna pin it up beforehand, essentially, I'm gonna take this cover stitch, right? And I'm gonna take my fabric, I'm gonna put it right under that cover stitch just like that. That way, whenever I sew this one down, I can flip him over like this and it'll cover up that stitch. So now I'm just pinning those things up, bro. Not a care in the world. I feel like something's off a little bit. Like, I don't know, I'm doing something wrong. But I wasn't worried about it, bro. I just kept pinning. And then it hit me, bro. It made me do an unk snap and all. Bro, I just remember I forgot to cut the extra fabric off. It's okay though, it's okay. I'm gonna just take the pins out. And then I just remember I pinned this up wrong because I also wanted to bring this down just a slither. I wanted to bring this down just a slither and fold it back like this, right? And that'll hide this seam. And that's why I added the extra inch from the 29 to make it 39 that's why I added the extra inch from making it 29 and a half to 30 and a half. All right, we're back in this thing. I got it pinned up with a little bit extra past the little hood, right? Got it pinned all the way up around the hood. And now I'm just gonna cut off the excess right here a little past the hood, just like the other side. So now I took that boy to the sewing machine and stitched him up. You better make sure he flat Stanley. So now that that's done, All I have to do is fold this thing over like this, fold it over one more time, and then just stitch it down, right? Hopefully y'all can see that. But y'all catch my drift. Fold it over like this. Fold it over like this. And stitch him down. Guess I should pin it, huh? No pins, no pins. I am Timothy, no pins.
Yeah, I say that, but it's a lot easier said than done.
Damn, bro, I knew this one gonna give me hell. I might just hand stitch with this one, bro. Cause this one gonna give me hell and I really don't even wanna deal with it. Aha! The handy dandy basting spray. They gonna never do me wrong.
That boy said, aha, like, Mr. Krabs, I have an idea.
There we go.
All right, there you go. That's it. Video over. I'm just playing, bro. I took that thing to the sewing machine, got myself some needle nose pliers or tweezers, and I just inched it the whole way. And don't try to do it without those tweezers either, bro, because you got to move the fur out of the way while you're sewing it.
And that's why you gotta move them out of the way. If you catch them too good, it will literally stop your foot from going. I need a walking foot, honestly. I think that's what I need. But we ain't got time for all that.
And of course, if you sew, you already know this. Gotta have a quick bobbin scare.
Oh my God, I'm out of bobbin? Oh no, I'm not. I'm tripping. I thought I was out of bobbin.
But after that, bro, like I said, you're just inching it with those tweezers all the way to the other side of the hood.
So boom, there you go. Fur hood. I ain't gonna even do no crazy reveal, bro. Y'all probably done seen a million of these things. But y'all asked for it, so I gotta feed the streets, man. There you go. I ain't got no shirt on. I just wanna show y'all how to sit down. There y'all go, man. Fur hood sauce. Y'all lock in. Discord in the bio. Oh, we going crazy this year! Oh yeah, remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today.